Firstly, use two kinds of screwdriver, one Phillips, one straight. Use Phillips driver to press against this hole. Then use flathead driver pry its plastic open and then rotate it. Now let's show how it works. First, pry it open and then rotate it. Repeat this step, pry it open and then rotate it again. And then you feel loose here, swinging up and down. Congratulations, the door has already been removed.